I finally got y'all. After 10 years in the flesh, oh, every time laughing, I finally found you. And now it's time to get back to work. Ow! Who the hell did that? Whoopsies, did that hurt? Ow! Yup, in the flesh. Dude, what the fuck? Oh, I'll deal with you later. I don't think so. I'll make sure everyone destroys you and makes everyone hate you. After the darkness of hell, rise and eat you. My bad.